Welcome to a serene space dedicated to your well-being. Today we delve into yoga flow for vegetarians, improve flexibility and focus. Embrace the benefits of yoga that cater specifically to vegetarians, enhancing flexibility, focus, and overall wellness. Join us on this journey to find harmony between yoga and vegetarianism. To begin your yoga journey, you need 3 simple things. First, a yoga mat to provide cushioning and grip. Comfortable clothing that allows free movement is also essential. Lastly, find a quiet space where you can practice undisturbed. Now that you're all set, it's time to dive into the world of yoga. Breathing is the foundation of yoga. It's where the magic begins. Focusing on your breath promotes relaxation and brings clarity to your mind. Deep, mindful breathing enhances focus, eases tension, and sets the tone for your practice. Remember, your breath is the bridge between your body and mind. Ready to flow? Here's a sequence designed to improve your flexibility and focus. Let's connect our breath to each movement, creating a fluid dance of postures. Visualize each asana as a stepping stone, guiding you towards inner balance and tranquility. As we flow from downward dog to warrior 2, then to tree pose, let's cherish this journey of self-discovery. Embrace the rhythm of your breath, the strength in your body, and the calm in your mind. Remember, the beauty of yoga lies in its fluidity and grace. Now, it's time to cool down and release any remaining tension. Let's ease into relaxing poses like child's pose, feeling the stretch in our backs, and then transition into savasana, the corpse pose, melting away any lingering stress. Embrace the calm. You've done great today. We've come to the end of our yoga flow, but this is just the beginning of your journey. Today we've explored how yoga can be a powerful tool for vegetarians, promoting flexibility, focus, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your yoga mat is always waiting for you.